To turn on or turn off, use Sun notifications in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll to the settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Next, tap hearing enhancements, and then uh, tap sound notifications, and then tap open sound notifications. Next, tap the settings icon, and then on the sound notifications, tap switch until blue to turn on, or tap switch until gray to turn off. If we turn on, you can see uh, web, sorry, some notification and notification panel, and then tap arrow to play. Okay. Audio and background conversations are not sent to Google unless you just to send feedback about sound quality. And then if you want to turn off, tap use notification sound notification switch until gray to turn off. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.